Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Analogy. Let me know if you get a perfect 10 out of 10. Sheep is to peach. Blank is to large. A. King. B. Regal. C. Orange. D. Majestic. The correct answer is letter B. Cheap is an anagram for peach and regal is an anagram for large. 4 is to blank. 3 is to 9. A. 6. B. 27. C. 16. D. 64. The correct answer is letter C. 4 squared is 16 and 3 squared is 9. 2 is to 2. Loot is to blank. A. 2. B. Steal. C. Toot. D. Loot. The correct answer is letter D. 2 is a homophone for two, and loot is a homophone for loot. Worth is to wart. Blank is to nadir. A. Apex. B. Arc. C. Drain. D. Sink. The correct answer is letter C. Worth is an anagram for hort, and drain is an anagram for nadir. Member is to club. Blank is to pride. A. Lion. B. Win. C. Medal. D. Accept. The correct answer is letter A. A member is part of a club and a lion is part of a pride. Mnemonics is to blank. Phonetics is to language. A. Memory. B. Future. C. Hieroglyphics. D. Movement. The correct answer is letter A. Mnemonics deals with memory and phonetics deals with language. Drudgery is to work. Cacophony is to blank. A. Noise. B. Orchestra. C. Telephone. D. Dissonance. The correct answer is letter A. Drudgery is unpleasant work and cacophony is unpleasant noise. Clumsy is to dexterity. Blank is to will. A. Passive. B. Oath. C. Submit. D. Wish. The correct answer is letter A. Clumsy means lacking dexterity, and passive means lacking in will. Wildcat is to blank. Forage is to food. A. Bobcat. B. Game. C. Mountain. D. Oil. The correct answer is letter D. To wildcat means to look for oil, and to forage means to look for food. Lock is to canal. Dock is to blank. A. Courtroom. B. Locksmith. C. Ear. D. Duck. The correct answer is letter A. A lock is found in a canal and a dock is found in a courtroom. Did you get perfect?